Hi, it's Claire here and I'm going to show you how to make a magic circle. So place the yarn in between your finger and thumb, wrap it round your fingers twice, and then what we're going to do is we'll take our crochet hook and we put our crochet hook under the second loop, grab the loop closest to you and pull that through, and at the same time you're just going to twist it like that. At this point, just place your finger underneath the yarn there and take that off your hand, and we're just going to make a chain stitch here just to secure everything in place. Now let's have a look at what we've made. So if we have a look at this, I'll just pop it down here, and what we've got is we have our circle there, and then we've got our working yarn, which is this one here, and this is the tail of the yarn, and that's how you make a magic circle. To close the magic circle, all you do is pull the tail. Oh, that's twirling around there. If you pull the tail of the yarn, you can see that it goes smaller, and if you pull the circle again, you can make that bigger. And when we're actually going to crochet into the magic circle, we not only crochet into the circle, we also crochet over the tail of the yarn as well. So check out my next video and I'll show you how to crochet into this magic circle. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, please press the subscribe button just down there, and please share it with your friends so we can get everybody crocheting.